She want my, she want my attention.
What is up, you guys? It's me, Nubia here, and on today's video I will be showing you how to curl your hair using barrel curls or barrels. I don't know exactly what they're called, but they look like barrels. I've been doing this style for a while, but recently one artist that I've seen has done this style like to the T is Jacquees. I don't know if he's taken them out and shown what it looks like when he takes them out, but basically they create really nice curls. So we're just gonna get started and I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do to achieve this style with a twist, because y'all know I'm always add a twist. But regardless, here we go. Of course, you already know one thing about it: moisturize before you manipulate, and number two, make sure your hair is at least somewhat damp. Okay, so I just washed my hair, fresh wash day, using my 313 by New products. Y'all go ahead and go shop. I'll be moisturizing as well with my 313 by New leave-in mist. Hair is moisturized to the T. Y'all see it glistening, very beautiful. God is good. Let's get started. So if you look at the logo on the 313 by New, you'll see she has a certain hairstyle, and so I'm gonna do that hairstyle again. I'm gonna do it on my hair now. I'm gonna give y'all a B-roll. If you don't know what a B-roll is, that's basically, I don't know what it stands for, but it's me doing the style fast. I just cornrowed the front of my hair, if you guys are wondering. If you guys want a tutorial on cornrowing, I'm sorry, I cannot articulate that with my words. Like, let me not say I can't, it's just very difficult to the point where I know even after I do it, y'all will have questions. So I will also update you guys at the end of this video with how it looks when I take out the cornrow part of it. Find 2 or 3. I will be using 2 with this right here. Twist it. Until you get to a certain point, fold it, loop it, and twist that again. Try to get as close to the root as possible without ruining the root of your hair, because you don't want it to be too much that if you move your hair you feel like you're gonna lose it. Wrap it around nice and steady. And tie it. I'm gonna show you all of these, okay? Because I need y'all to know it to the T. So twist your hair, okay? Fold it, twist, twist, and you twist it so that it gets all the way to the bottom. Boom. And again, twist. I know y'all can't really see it, but you twist up until a certain point, fold. And so for those of you who say, I don't want to go to the store and get pipe cleaners, I don't want to go to the store and get perm rods, la-di-da, la-di-da, all you need is some damp hair and a rubber band for this one. So you don't have to worry about all that nonsense chatter, blah blah. Trust me, No excuses now. I want to see you try this. I want to see y'all try this. And you don't even have to follow me on Instagram, but I want to see how y'all's hair looks once you try this, okay? So go ahead. If you try this style, please, please, please DM me, because trust me, I want to see. Make sure if you do it tight, but not so tight that you feel like your scalp is inflamed, okay? Just do it nice and tight. That's all I ask. That's all I'm asking you today. All right, y'all, it's 2 in the morning, so inside voices right now. This is the first tutorial I've done on barrel curls. This is what it looks like. Let me give y'all a microwave. The front, we have our, what's that thing called? We have our cornrows. So I always make the mistake, I guess you could call it, of putting the cornrows, like making them stop like all the way right here, or making them stop right here. So I put these up further, and then the rest of them are kind of more back, just to give it a cute effect. But we're gonna see how that plays out, because that could either go very right or very wrong depending on how the curls end up. So I'm gonna sit under the dryer, cool air only. It's 2 a.m. on a Monday, so I'm going to let this sit all of Monday, which is today technically, and I'm gonna take it out Tuesday morning. So combined with the drying, with the hair products I use, which you guys saw, 313 completely. No mousse, okay? No mousse, no gel. I'm gonna see how this ends up, okay? See y'all Tuesday morning. Lord willing, God is good. Just took them out. Now I'm going to, you already know how this goes. I'm going to do my little shebang, do my edges, I gotta go to school, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the final look. Let's get into it. Toothbrushes from Target. These are from Target. These are, I use one to brush my teeth. Well, not out of these two. The other one to brush my teeth is in here, no worries. And then I use these for my edges. This is to brush in mousse, and this is to brush in edge control, okay? Because I'm putting y'all on, I'm putting y'all down because I love y'all so much, and you guys ate up my last edges tutorial, and I want to let you guys know the specifics, because a lot of people were getting on me about the specifics, and I didn't realize I wasn't being specific. Let me give y'all a close up on the curl. I separated all the twists that I did, so that's like, I'm just letting you know, I separated all the twists that I did, and this is it. If you guys have any more questions, let me know, and I'll just, if it's something visual that you need rather than verbal, I'll probably make just another short and just link it to you just real quick so that everybody knows the information. But I am also going to include at the end of this video what it looks like when I take this out as well, the front out too. So y'all are not just gonna see me looking like this. This is the hair with the front out. So this is what the barrel curls, this is still what the barrel curls would look like whether I had the front in or out. The top would be less wavy and the bottom would be real curly. This is what it looks like. All right, you guys, so that is it. That's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any other questions down below and I'll be sure to answer. And that's pretty much all I gotta say. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my other tutorials, vlogs, and content videos, and I will catch you guys on the next one. All right, bye.